everybody. Today what I want to show you is, yeah, it is raining and it might be a little bit windy, so I'm sorry for any wind noise. We went ahead and vinyl wrapped this with some tint. I got it off eBay for like, I think it was like $4. Came with the squeegee and a pencil line. I did go ahead and throw in my new tail lights that are tinted as well, so that's the reason why I did that. So out with the bright ass red and hello beautiful dark maroon, whatever color it is. So other than doing that, what I've done so far is I put these guys in today, these side marker headlights, and so far that's pretty much it. But I don't think we like ever got like a real walk around of the entire car with the spoiler from the last video and stuff like that. So I think we're gonna go ahead and do that right now. So go ahead and roll it. So I just want to say a big thank you to everybody who stopped in so far and has seen everything that I've done so far. But I want to seriously say thank you to you guys. So if you guys want more videos like this for the car, go ahead and smash that like button, give me a subscribe, and if you have any more cool ideas for this car, let me know in the comments below and we'll make it happen. So thank you guys. You guys have a good day.